Time now for Hot Picks. Today, our guest has 3 picks in the Canadian small cap sector. He says they're all using artificial intelligence to set them apart in their respective fields. Let's welcome a familiar face to BNN Bloomberg, Kim Bolton, President and Portfolio Manager at Swan Dexteritas. Thanks for coming in. It's good to see you again.
Happy Valentine's, Paul.
You as well. Every tech company, it seems, is saying we're using AI to make ourselves a lot smarter, more productive. How do you, as a tech expert, weed this out to determine who's really using AI to their benefit?
Well, the successful ones are really employing AI. You know, we talked over the last couple of years of how you had to get the infrastructure, and then you got the large language models coming, and now you actually have the applications. And you really need to employ that to differentiate yourself, because this is what their customers are asking for.
Okay, let's go to the first stock that you like, Docebo. You'll help me with the pronunciation there. On the TSX, we've got we'll show viewers before too long what you refer to as respective price targets. This is an average of all the Wall Street and Bay Street analyst price targets and the price target that you and your colleagues at Black Swan put on the stock. That respective price target here, 73 Canadian dollars per share. Tell us about this stock and why you like it.
So Docebo, it's out of where is it out of? It's out of Montreal, I do believe, and no, I'm sorry, it's here in Toronto. You know, it's a 1.8 billion Canadian dollar market cap stock, so it's sizable, it's profitable, and it's really sort of revolutionizing the learning through AI-powered learning management systems. It sort of has 2 segments. One is toward the customer training side of it, and then there's the employee, and then sort of a third one, which is sort of the partner side. It's a massive market. You know, Gartner actually calls the learning management system market to have a total addressable market of $30 billion. Now, Docebo only has about 1% of that, so it has a great opportunity to actually grow in it. So sitting right now, just over $60, and yes, we have a $73 price target on it.
Okay, there are 11 analysts who cover the stock in both Canada and the US. 10 of the 11 have buy ratings on Docebo. Okay, let's move to number 2 on the list today, Tecsys, ticker symbol TCS in Toronto. Respective price target here, $53 Canadian per share.
Yep. So Tecsys is actually out of Montreal. It's been around since like 1983. It's profitable, and it's about just shy of 700 billion Canadian in market cap. So Tecsys Software Solutions, their key thing is that they're into advanced supply chain solutions, and so the supply chains are for manufacturing, distribution centers, and also over into healthcare. So they really sort of made some hay in about the last 5, 6, 7 years because of that Affordable Care Act down in the U.S. And certainly the hospitals need that supply chain advancement. So they actually bring in the AI, and it's worked out very well for them.
Not a whole lot of analyst coverage on this one. 5 analysts cover the stock. 4 of the 5 say buy on Tecsys. The final one, Calian Group, ticker symbol CGY in Toronto. This is a company based in Ottawa offering tech services to industry and government.
Again, Calian, it's profitable. Now, if you look at the charts of like a Docebo and a Tecsys, it's a nice chart, and it's sort of going from the lower left to the upper right. Calian actually just reported yesterday, and it was a bit disappointing. However, I still really like these guys because they Back in the second half of 2024, they did some collaborations with Microsoft and Walmart. So they actually spent quite a bit of money on that. And so I think it's actually a pretty darn good entry point here, even though they disappointed yesterday. But I think that was really because they spent a lot of money. So currently trading about $45, and we have a 12-month price target of $67.50.
Okay, and there are 7 analysts that cover Calian, and all 7 say buy on this stock. Kim Bolton, President and Portfolio Manager at Swan Dexteritas. Thanks a lot, Kim, for coming.